let me inform the audience of the politics of the law school. Because of the envy, and of course, anything about Port Harcourt, politics will have to come into it. Just recently, the chairman of the Judiciary Senate Committee has tried to bring in politics in the establishment of the law school campus. Now bringing a bill that the federal government should set up 2 campuses in each zone. And then in the south, Yenegua and Delta State. In essence, trying to do everything they can to see that the Port Harcourt campus of law school does not exist. But I can assure you, we have the capacity to fight back. It is unfortunate that for whatever reasons, the Deputy President of the Senate and his members trying to undermine the viability of the campus by sponsoring a bill for the unnecessary population of law school campuses so that he could grab one and site in his village in Delta State. It's most unfortunate. I hear the public hearing will be on Monday. I will also be there. Now, the issue is, where would the federal government have the money to fund the establishment and running of multiple politically motivated law school campuses across the country?
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.